guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know. So unfortunately, the clip of me applying my foundation and powder got deleted. So we're going to be starting off with highlighter today. So basically, I'm recreating one of my favorite looks done by Scott Edit on Rico Nasty. And I am using the Juvia's Place highlighter in the shade Cleo. So obviously I'm doing a voiceover instead of doing an in-depth tutorial because it's pretty much a simple look. When it comes to the face, like I'm just doing my regular glowy look. And then the main look is basically the Mike Tyson graphic liner. So now I'm just lightly filling in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Definer. So now I'm just carving out my eyebrows using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. So now I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and blending this out just so it can look a little bit more seamless and not so harsh. You ever just struggle choosing what transition color to go in with at first? So Scott had done a shimmery soft look on Rico's eyes, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just stamping in the first eyeshadow into my outer corner eye. And I'm using the Morphe 39A palette. Now I'm just taking another fluffy brush and basically just diffusing the outer edges. So for the shimmer, I'm going to be using Tarte's Shadow Pot in the color Chrome Paint. And I'm just going to be using a flat brush to apply this. Since this is such a soft eye look, I'm not going to be very precise with the application. I'm just pretty much putting the shimmer almost everywhere. Now editing and looking back at these videos is hilarious because how many faces I keep doing while I'm doing the most simple thing. I'm also going to apply the same shimmer into my brow bone. And now for some extra glitter and glow, I'm going to be using Stila's Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in Kitten Karma, and I'm just going to be applying it everywhere else too. Now here's me trying to show off the glow. For the lower lash, we're pretty much going to do the same thing what we did up top, using the same colors, putting the brown in the outer corner and putting the shimmer in the inner corner. I wanted to give myself more of a cat eye look, so I'm going to be adding eyeliner into my inner corner. So I'm not gonna lie, I still struggle a little bit doing this, and I do mess up while doing this, but I clean it up with some concealer. I'm curious to know what y'all's favorite Rico Nasty look is. I know she has so many good ones, but go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have one. So anyways, whenever you have little mess ups like this, you never want to just remove it, especially if you already have eyeshadow applied, because it's just gonna ruin it and it's gonna look blotchy, just messy. So just take any concealer and clean up the lines. Now that I'm done with the liner, I'm just gonna be applying mascara using Benefit's Roller Lash. She also had a little triangle in her lower lash, so that's what I'm doing here. Adding some black liner to my waterline, and to be honest, I don't know why I use this liner. It's not the best one, so I'm not even going to say. So I added a black eyeshadow on top of it to intensify it. And finally, we're at the most exciting but complicated part of the entire look. And yeah, it's not going to be the easiest to explain this. I'm pretty much just looking at the picture back and forth. See, these are not pretty faces that I'm making, and these are not pretty angles, but the way that I was set up. So basically I have this like really small ring light that's supposed to hold my phone, because yes, I am using my iPhone, but I promise I will get better at this. So the technique that I'm using is just outlining the shapes first and gradually start to fill it in. As you can tell, I'm using a very fine tipped eyeliner, and eventually I'm gonna switch over to the NYX matte one. So yeah, at this point I'm hyped because I'm seeing it come together. I'm liking it. Yes.
Like I'm about to explode. I got a nasty bitch, she wildin'. Oh yeah, she trifling it. On my diamonds, you know they always fucking shining. Coming with vengeance, I ain't tripping off no imperfection. Money coming in from different ways, like it's an intersection.
And yeah, this took me quite some time, but honestly, it was fun doing it. It was very therapeutic too because I was so focused. And yeah, I love a good graphic liner. That's why I love Scott Edit's work so much. He does a lot of different things that you don't see other artists doing. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Anyways, hope you still enjoyed the tutorial and hope you stay safe, stay indoors, most importantly. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.
No motherfucking playground, bitch. We don't play around. I was wearing wigs.